kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi lovers, welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to another collaboration titled Swagmas with Lifestyle Designs with Teresa and Design with Emma. So what we decided to do is we decided to do a 3-day collaboration titled Swagmas. So we're going to be giving you some DIY ideas on some swags. And today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a candle stand. Any candle stand of your choice that you like, you can create a swag with this candle stand. So as you can see, I have a black wrought iron candle stand. It's a little heavy, and I'm going to be adding a swag to it. So as you can see down below, I have different florals that I'm going to be using. Now for the spring and summer, I am using the pattern, the black and white stripe, and I am using the color green. That is my accent color, is green. So I tried to use some greenery stems for my swag, along with some green gardenias, and then I have some yellow ones as well too. And then I have a little peach and some baby's breast to throw in there as well too. So along with my black wrought iron candle stand, I plan on using this black clip. And the black clip is going to attach to my candle stand, and then I'm going to add my pool noodle. I cut a small little piece of a pool noodle that I'm going to be using. And then this is my signature pattern, which is the black and white stripe. Okay, I'm going to be using that as a bow. Now I do have my glue gun handy because I want to make sure that once I attach the clip to my base, which is my wrought iron candle stand, I want to make sure that it's going to withhold the pool noodle and the floors that I'm going to attach. So I do think I'm going to utilize the glue gun just for extra protection. If this is your first time here, I welcome you with open arms. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey girl, hey girl, hey guy, hey guy. And if you're returning, welcome back. Y'all already know what I always say. We cannot do this without you guys. So each of the 3 days we will be premiering our video. So make sure you're in the premiere because we always like to show our appreciation by doing a giveaway on the last day. So we will be doing this May 1st, May 2nd, and May 3rd. And I am the last one on each day. So if you miss Lifestyle Designs with Teresa or Design with Emma, please go back and catch their videos and make sure you leave them some comments. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I did tilt my camera down a little bit so you guys can see what I am doing here. So I'm going to start off by using my little clamp here. And I got this clamp from Amazon, you guys. So what I'm going to do, it has the big end here, and then it has the smaller end. So the smaller end, I want to clamp to my base here. And so I am going to add some glue. Because it's not a heavy clamp, it's not like a piece of metal clamp. So it is a little plastic-like. So I want to make sure that it's going to hang on here. And I'm just going to apply the glue. And you don't have to do this step right here. It's just like I said, I want it to have more stability once I add the pool noodle and florals, because it is going to give it a little bit more weight. just want to take one and put it in like so. Just put it into my pool noodle. And I want to do the downward method. Well, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this yellow one. I think I'm going to clip the stem down a little bit more. I'm going to take it right here. I'm going to cut the stem down just a little bit more as well. So short on the back of here, I'm going to add some glue for this to be able to stay. And these florals, you guys, this is nothing that I went out to buy. I pulled these florals from my stash and I'm just using what I already have. So this DIY candle stand swag is very, very budget friendly. So I'm liking the look so far. And now what I want to go and do is I want to go through and add my peaches in the center. Like I said, some of them, they have a short stem on them. So I'm going to take the next one and I'm just adding a little glue as I stated before. And I'm liking the look of my swag so far. Now I have these little short ones. I'm going to cut the stem just a little bit. As y'all can see, they're going everywhere, so I'm going to have a little bit of glue. And once I'm done, making the stem a little bit shorter. I want to thank each and every one of you all for tuning in. Every time we have a collaboration, it is so appreciated and it does not go unnoticed. try to give back as much as we possibly can through these collaborations. As y'all saw, one did come down, but that's okay. I'll be able to put it back in there. She ain't gonna get away. Because trust me, there's more space. Alright, you all, it is time for the reveal. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. I want to thank Lifestyle Designs with Teresa and Design with Emma for joining me in Swagmas 2025. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you missed their videos, please go back and check their videos out. Alright, you guys, here is my day one Swagmas candle stand swag. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Let me give you guys a little spin so you can see what I did. It was very easy, very budget friendly, and all I did was use the little black clamp and I attached it to my wrought iron candle stand, and then I added the pool noodle that I cut. I made it short. Now if you want to make it long, you can do that as well too. And then I just added my floors wherever I thought that it should go to create my form, as you can see here. And then I added the green candle here. And this is what it is looking like. I am actually going to use this on my patio, but I am still working on my patio. So I just have it on this little stand right now because I am in the process of setting up my patio. So this will be included again on my patio, and you will see it in my patio makeover. But this is what it looks like, and this is how it turned out. I am satisfied with it. I like it, and I hope you like it too. And without further ado, this is the end of day one of Swagmas. Don't forget, you guys, to tune in to day two.
We at home with Lisa Lee.